Every time you scroll mindlessly, chase cheap thrills, or drown hours in distraction, it feels good for a moment. But when the high fades, you're left feeling empty, guilty, and unmotivated. Porn, endless social media, gaming binges, they all give you that quick hit of dopamine. But deep down, you know it's stealing your focus, your drive, your potential. It's like feeding on junk food and wondering why you feel sick. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. Your brain is wired to chase dopamine. But what if you could flip the script? Use your cravings as fuel, not failure. Introducing the dopamine menu. Just like a restaurant menu offers dishes to satisfy your cravings, the dopamine menu offers activities to satisfy your brain's craving for pleasure and achievement. The key? Mixing healthy dopamine boosters with productivity tasks. Think of it as eating your productivity veggies with your dopamine dessert. Here's how to build your own dopamine menu. Break your day into 3 categories: high, medium, and low dopamine activities. Now, mix and match. Pair a high dopamine activity with a medium dopamine one. Knock out a few emails, then dive into a creative project. Sprinkle low dopamine activities throughout your day to keep your brain refreshed. Make it work by creating a reward system. If you finish a deep work session, reward yourself with something fun, like watching your favorite YouTube channel or playing a game. Think of your life as a game, but here's the twist. You control the rewards. The more you master the dopamine menu, the better you get at turning short-term cravings into long-term success. You're not a slave to dopamine. You're the one holding the pen, writing your own story. Now, it's your move. What's the next step on your menu?